the future. We are the present. Our ideas, creativity, and teamwork will be the foundation of a golden Indonesia. So let's begin this journey together with one dream, one action, and one goal for Indonesia's bright future. Hello everyone, I'm Amelia Vinky, a student of International Marketing Management from Polytechnic Cendana. Today, I stand here not just as a student, but as a part of generation with one shared dream, to see Indonesia rise, shine, and stand out among the great nations by the year 2045. Our theme, fostering innovation and collaboration for sustainable development toward Indonesia Emas 2045, is not only a slogan, it's a call to action, especially for us vocational students, the ones who learn by doing, create by experimenting, and grow by contributing. The reality we face according to Statistic Indonesia or BPS, our country is home to 284 million people and more than half are under 35 years old. That means we the young are the engine of Indonesia's future. But behind this great potential, there lies a challenge. Based on the Global Innovation Index 2024, Indonesia is ranked 61st out of 132 countries, and our national research spending is only 0.3% of GDP, while countries like South Korea invest over 4%. This data tells us a clear message. We have talent, but we need transformation. Indonesia is full of creativity, but too often, ideas remain as ideas, never turning into innovation that truly changes life. And that, my friends, is where vocational education becomes the key. The source of the problem, why do we still lag behind in innovation? Because many of our creative ideas stop in the classroom. But we build great prototypes, amazing products, and innovative concepts, but they often don't reach the community, the market, the real world. We vocational students have the skills in engineering, hospitality, business, design, agriculture, IT, yet sometimes we don't have the access or collaboration needed to make those skills meaningful beyond campus walls. True innovation happens not in isolation, but in collaboration. It begins when our hands-on learning meets the real challenge of society, when our classroom become laboratories for life. The practical example, let me share one real story, a story that proves how powerful innovation can be when it's born from vocational students. In 2023, students from Polytechnic Negeri Bandung developed a solar drying machine to help chili farmers in Garut. Before that, farmers needed 3 days to dry their chili under the sun, often losing quality and profit due to weather. But with this machine, drying time dropped to 8 hours. Quality improved and profits increased by 35%. That's not just innovation, that is impact, and that's the true spirit of vocational education, learning by doing and doing for others. The students roll from campus to community. So what can we do as vocational students to take part in this journey toward Indonesia Emas 2045? We can start with small but meaningful steps. Turn our project into real solution instead of just complementing a statement. Let's create innovation that answer real community needs, from energy-saving devices to digital marketing tools for local MSMEs. Collaborate across majors. Let engineering students team up with business students, IT students, and designers to create startup or mini industry. Engage in national programs like Kampus Merdeka Vokasi, Vokasi Bangkit, and Teaching Factory that connect education with industry. So what we learn in classroom transforms directly into professional value. Each of this action builds a bridge between education and real life, a bridge that leads directly to sustainable and prosperous Indonesia. The path to Indonesia Emas 2045. Now imagine this. If every vocational student across Indonesia contributes one innovation, one project, or one collaboration, what will our nation look like in 2045? We could build smart village where technology support agriculture and sustainability, green industry powered by young teachers, young technicians who care for the planet, digital startups founded by vocational students, solving local and global problems. We will no longer talk about innovation as a dream. We will live it. We will no longer wait for change. We will create it. This is the vision of Indonesia Emas 2045, a nation that stands on the foundation of innovation, collaboration, and sustainability, powered by the creativity and courage of its young. The motivation turning dreams into reality, but here's the truth. Raising that dream is not easy. It requires more than just talent. It takes commitment, courage, and consistency. As Thomas Edison once said, genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Innovation is not born in comfort. It's born in struggle, in failure, and in the courage to try again. We must be ready to face rejection, to fall and to rise again. Because every great investor, every successful entrepreneur, and every impactful innovator starts from one thing: belief. Believe that their small idea can make a big change. Believe that even if no one else believes in that, they still move forward. And as Eleanor Roosevelt said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams and have the courage to make them real. From dream to action, my fellow students, we are not the generation of waiting. We are the generation of doing. We are the hands that will build. We are the minds that will create. We are the heart that will lead Indonesia to its golden era. So let's innovate to not only for grades but for ground. Let's collaborate not only for competition but for communities. And let's make every project, every prototype, and every partnership a meaningful step toward a bright Indonesia. Because when one student takes one action multiplied by millions, that's how dreams turn into destiny. So today, let's make a promise to dream boldly, to act bravely, to collaborate sincerely, and to build proudly for our nation, for our future, for Indonesia Emas 2045. One dream, one action, one Indonesia Emas 2045. Thank you.